Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am RJ. Hope everyone is doing well as we stay inside and not go stir crazy like I am, but I do get out every now and then. But anyway, I just purchased this heavy duty sewing machine, and I got it because I've been making tote bags and duffel bags, and I've actually had a couple of people who've purchased some for me. And my poor little sewing machine, I have a Singer 8770 curvy, and as I was going over several thicknesses of fabric layers, I thought I broke my machine because I heard something go pop. But it was the needle that broke, and I realized that it just did not have the power to punch through all the layers. So I ended up getting this. I saw this. I don't remember where, but I think I was surfing YouTube, and I happened to see it. And so this is my unboxing here. So I'm gonna pull it out the box and look at all the goodies and stuff that came with it. But as you can see on the top, on the outside of the box, it has a lot of accessories in there. So I'm gonna pull it out and we'll go through it together. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I've taken the sewing machine out of its box. Here it is. I have not set it up yet. I have to move my curvy because it's gonna go in its spot. So I would just switch out whenever I need either sewing machine, because I just don't have the room to have both of the machines out. So these are the accessories that it comes with. Some of them I have no idea what they are. I know this is a blind hem foot and zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button foot that you attach buttons with, open toe foot, because I have this for my other machine. I believe this is a cording foot, but I'm not sure, but I believe this is a cording foot, and I want to say a satin stitch foot, but I will double check that. I would have to look at the instructions to see what they say. It doesn't give any indication on the box. And this is because my daughter and my two nieces have this. This is a Sew Easy foot, and you just put it to where you need it, and it will you just line it up once you get the foot attached onto the shank, and it'll guide wherever you need to go. And this is a stitch guide. I have it for my curvy, which I had purchased separately. It did not come with my curvy. A pack of needles, an auxiliary spool pin for twin needle stitching, and this is the felt for the spool pin, so these go together. So I see two bobbins here, but I also noticed that it's a fully wind bobbin in the bobbin casing, and also at the top of the bobbin of the machine on the spool holder, there's another bobbin. And here's a large spool cap, but large and medium is for both sizes, and then of course the small spool cap. And then of course you have your screwdriver, and then it's your brush slash seam ripper. And then also it came with this even feet walking foot, which I'm very surprised, but delighted. So that way I don't have to grab my other one from my curvy to use if I needed to use that. And then of course the foot pedal, the cord the power cord and soft cover. It also comes with a quick guide here to show you how to thread it and get started. And then it also had attached along with the guide 20% off, 25% off coupon for accessories and notion. So I have to check that out. So that was with the machine as well. And then here is the book. It's a very thin book, not much to it, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna look these over. I'm gonna find out what the other feet are that I don't know, that I'm just taking a stab in the dark at guessing what these names are. And then once I get it set up in its place, where my curvy is at, I'll fire it up and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'll be back in a few. Okay, I have now got my heavy duty machine set up where my curvy was, and so I will have to change out each machine as I need to for each project I need to use it for. So so here it is, and I'm gonna turn it on here. It's quiet, has a very clear LED screen. I hope it's LED, and I haven't even, this was my first time turning it on. So speed control. So if this is anything like my Serger, oh boy, I'm gonna have to keep it on the slow speed, because my Serger stitches 1,300 stitches per minute, and I have to go really gently on the pedal or it will just get away from me. So it has a very small storage space, so it is cramped in there with all the accessories that came with the machine. Of course, I'm going to have to get a separate holder for my bobbins. Like I said, it came with 4, and 2 of them, as you can see, is already pre-wound, and I haven't even taken this one out. So let me do it right now. So those are the 2 wound bobbins, and here is the other extra empty bobbin, and here it is. So it comes with 4, so that's cool. And the tray is removable. So I have a nice space for inserting my bags on, or if I'm doing anything, if I'm mending stuff. It does have a drop feed. The button's in the back, and then the feed dogs just dropped. And I moved it back to raise do 1 full rotation, and the feed dogs are back up here. So okay, so let's get to something. Okay, so I did some reading. I've actually found the manual online at Singer.com's website, and this is an LCD screen, LED light. So I got those 2 mixed up, and I just wanted to make the corrections right there. And that's it. Okay, so it sews beautifully, and as you can see, I do have painter's tape because I have really bad eyes. I can't see far away, and this helps me. So if that's what I gotta do, then that's what I gotta do. Again, like I said, this area is really dark, so I'm gonna have to like get some other lighting to illuminate this area so I can see on this side of the needle. And that's it. So I'm working on this, and it's really smooth. I do have it at the maximum speed, and I'm not pushing too far down on the foot pedal, and that's pretty much it. All right, so I am now working on this fleece blanket for a customer of mine. She requested 3 fleece blankets, and this is the last one. And I have the Even Feet walking foot on. And what I noticed right away, the difference is between my heavy duty machine here and the curvy, is that the curvy has a light in the throat space right here. And I don't know if you can see that I do have light where the needle area is at, but in the throat space it's really dark right in here. So I might have to get something to light this space up. And so I did figure out it's a programmable needle up and down. So let me show you how to do it. So here is the button right here. So here it shows you that right now, if I was to press on the foot controller, let me raise the pressure, let me lower the pressure foot, and just sew a few stitches. The needle is up. When I press the needle down, it goes down. But if I sew a few stitches and stop, the needle will be up. However, if I want the needle to stay down when I let up off the pressure foot, I'll go here. So I'll press this button right here, and now it changes that it's down. So now when I sew a few stitches, it goes down. And also, if I want it to go up, just press that and it's up. But I can press on the pressure foot again. It'll go in the down position. So if I don't want to do this anymore, I will go ahead and just unlock it from the position that it's in, and then it'll go back to being in the up position. So I think that's a cool little feature. I don't have that on my curvy. I do have where I can press the button and it will always be in the down position, and then if I want it up, I have to push the button again for it to be up in the raised position. And then also it has a thread cutter, automatic thread cutter, needle cutter, thread cutter, yes, thread cutter, and then start stop if I want to use it without the pressure foot. The pressure foot, I'm not that brave yet to try that feature. And then of course the reverse, and then the tie off for some of the stitches. And then I've noticed this. These are all the stitches. I got a load of stitches to play with. I have no idea what I'm going to use them for, but I would definitely think of something. I have a lot of stitches. Oh, and it has even a thread, scissors. Oh, I like that. That's awesome. And I have this. So I'm going to have to play with some of this stuff too. And we can go through it together. And also it has stitch elongation. Now, I don't have this on my curvy. I wish I did, but I don't. And also it has mirror imaging on here. And then it looks like I can save some features probably when I program it to like do wording or numbering or some specialty combination that I would do. I can save it and it'll be stored. And that's pretty much it. And yeah, so I'm about to work on this, and I will do another video on how to do how to thread it, and it's pretty basic. How to stage the bobbin and the bobbin casing, and how to wind a bobbin. So hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know, and I will get to them as soon as possible. Also, I will try to put the link in below where I purchased the machine. Also, I am not a representative for Singer. This has happened to be the brand that I chose and I like to use. Like I said, my other machine is a Singer Curvy. My serger is a Singer, and I am happy with my machines all the way around. So subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.